Hey guys, thank you so much you guys for the compliments and the positive feedback regarding my weight loss and the videos that I establish on a daily basis for you guys, which I try my best to. And a lot of you have asked me like what causes my hiccups. I don't know. Like I have honestly asked the doctor repeatedly, and the only thing that I do, like that I'm fully aware of, is that like I'll get the hiccups if I have pap. Like I don't know why. Maybe because I'm allergic. I don't know. But I appreciate the compliments, you guys. Thank you. And I try my best to like stay thin and in shape, but evidently I'm still like, to me, I'm like my own perception, I'm still like obese and overweight. But I'm gonna drink some pop because so many people have said, can you please drink pop and get the hiccups intentionally again? So I'm going to do that, and I'll have like probably root beer because that's like my favorite. But I'm only gonna have a few sips because I'm so afraid of like gaining weight. So yeah. I look so bad today. Like honestly, I do. I look bad. But let me go get my pop. Well, hello there. Oh, I should have never done this.